I'm Ivan Wendy Castellan. I'm 19 years old and also I live in Longbu, Valencia City, Bukidnon. And a little bit of my background as an artist is that na self-learning artist ko. When did I start painting is when I was 4 years old. Since wala ko na school, nanas akong kung bitawang sa mind na I have to draw kay ang papa is kuwan siya bakery and then siya siya mo cake bitaw. And ako kag-inspire ko siyang case yung mga design lang build until now. For now, recently, ako medium is painting. But painting has different kinds of painting. Acrylic painting, oil painting, watercolor painting. And then, i-explore na ko siya now. Hindi mo gabagpaan na. So, particularly, painting, dito ako medyo bisang laylay siya. You need to imagine the tao ang concept, you need to the concept of the arts because arts is expression and it has an idea without. Lagi, first is the concept, next is the techniques. Kung isa siya mga kind of art, for example, kung magamit ka, gusto ka maging art na romanticism, like landscape na painting, dito ni mo gamitin yung technique, yung color theory, mo dito yung next technique. And then also the resolution, the process is the resolution kung final touch mo sa mong painting. As in, like, katong bata pa dyan ko is that di ba nag-draw man dyan, encourage mo draw, you like to draw like mga first flowers or mga anime things na bitaw. And di dyan na nato malikaya na there is someone who judge bitaw. And then sa mga kong self nga, if parang ka sa mga drawing is ganahan ka and mga panilin, sa lahat sila kanan, ma-disappoint ka and kanan challenge bitaw mo nga kung talagang ko or kanang. And for the competition, like mga arts competition na so the challenge is yourself and just walang competition, i-competent siya sa competition. Kung ano yung self, if you are challenger na, if challenge ka kanang kasi wala kayo trust mo self, so muna nga, for example, kung competition, kung ano dyan, kung asa ko makaya, like to trust myself lang dyan, kung asa ko potential, category sa art. For now, I recently made a piece. And it's called Pokemon Drive. Is Pokemon an old lady na 100%. Isa siya na tribute sa Pokemon and ilan siya binili. Proud ko like. But once, itong medyo ko ng pencil is I really like to draw portraits like mga naong sa tao, mga anatomy, body, like shadow, anatomy ko sa mga faces. Dito na proud ko kay ever since siguro mag-ugin landscape, tumagrate ko in different concept. So sige ka imog landscape tungod sa bidding food kanang gabid food ko for my financial status na ito parang kakababag sa family. And then dito ko na proud ko kay nakabalik bitaw ko and nakuha ko siya, na-create na ko siya mga piece as a Bukidnon, our place, and katong art symbolizes the celebration of our land and for our indigenous people here in Bukidnon. For the future, siguro ba dahil inspiration like other artists, also for my family, like for the future na ko sa myself, if ever mo stop sayang ang gift ni God, nagalan niya. Like if ma-inspire ko more is kanang improving dyan, mas ma-inspire ko dapat self-improvement ako go. So inspired ako din na mag-draw padayon kay dahil dyan, kasi if wala ka inspiration, wala ka motivation, dito kayo sa practice. And then for me, art is an expression dyan towards within yourself, kung saan mo gusto i-express, nga i-share mo sa people nga makuha nila mag-feel yung ilang expression. And